In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product quantity breaks and quantity bundles on Shopify. Quantity breaks and bundles are a great way to encourage customers to buy more by offering discounts when they purchase multiple items. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set this up using a Shopify app, from finding the app all the way to publishing your first bundle offer. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're on the main admin homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This search tool is a quick way to navigate around your store settings and apps without digging through menus. Click into the search bar, then type apps, and when the apps option appears, click on it. This will take you to the apps section of your admin, where you can manage the apps you already have installed and discover new ones. On this page, click on all recommended apps. Shopify will now show you a list of apps it suggests for your store. From there, look for and click on Discover More in the Shopify App Store. This will open the main Shopify App Store, where we'll search for a specific app to handle quantity breaks and bundles. In the App Store search bar, type Easy Bundles Quantity Breaks. Press Enter, then look through the results and click on the app with that name. This app is designed to create volume discounts and bundle offers directly on your product pages. On the app page, click on the Install button. Shopify will redirect you back to your store and ask you to confirm the installation. Review the permissions if you'd like, then click Install again to authorize the app. Once the app is added, you'll be taken to its settings inside your Shopify admin. Here, you'll see an option related to app embeds or theme integration. Find the app embed status and click on Activate. This step ensures the bundle widget can actually appear on your storefront. After activating, click Save in the theme editor so your changes are applied. Next, go back to the app's main dashboard inside Shopify and click on Create Bundle Offer. In the Featured Bundle Offers section, choose Create under the Quantity Breaks Bundle option. You'll see a selection of templates for how your discounts will appear to customers. Pick a template you like and click Create on that template. Now you can edit and customize your template. Adjust the discount tiers, the quantities, the text, and the design to match your branding and your pricing strategy. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions, click on Publish. Your quantity breaks and bundles are now live on your product pages, encouraging customers to add more to their carts and boosting your